Hey guys, welcome back to Moto T. Today we're going to be changing the oil on the mini bike. So yeah, let's get started. So before you change the oil, you need to warm up your engine. Turn it on. Let it warm up for like 2 minutes and we'll start changing the oil. Alright, we're going to be taking out the oil cap because I don't want to unscrew the oil bolt because it's just going to go everywhere and I can't really unscrew it because I welded it on the foot pegs. So I'm just going to take it out through here. Ooh. Get yourself an oil pan so you can catch all the oil. Make sure you wear gloves, you don't want to get dirty. So start pouring. Oh, that's nasty. This bike's heavy. So I can't find a oil funnel that'll fit in there. So what I have is some gear oil. I'll take the cap off of here. And then get a water bottle. And I'll just screw it on. It's like the same size. And then I'll just cut it right here. And now I can pour my oil from here to here. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so let's start pouring. There, should be level. Now you get your cap, screw it on. There you go. Now you want to start up the engine. Let it warm up for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to lubricate the chain with this chain lubricator. It's like 3-in-1, I don't even know. So drip some on there and just move the bike. Now we're going to put some V-Power fuel in it and take it for a rip. Make sure you don't spill it. Before we take it out for a rip, you need to pump up the tire. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. See you guys next time.